How many family members can I share my Audible library with?
Hello there, and welcome to today's video. We'll be discussing a topic that is often asked about. How many family members can you share your Audible library with? If you've amassed an impressive collection of Audible books, it's only natural you'd want to share them with your loved ones. Let's dive right in.
Understanding Audible's sharing feature.
To begin with, Audible uses Amazon's Family Library Sharing feature. This allows you to share your library with the members of your Amazon household. An important thing to know is that Audible books can be shared with up to one adult through the Amazon Household feature. However, it's worth noting that the content sharing setting enables the sharing of not only Audible content but also ebooks, apps, and games. Remember, you cannot share Audible books individually. It's an all-or-nothing situation when it comes to content sharing.
What about children?
Well, if you're wondering about the kids, Amazon got you covered. You can add up to 4 child profiles in your Amazon household. While this doesn't technically allow them to access your Audible library directly, it does enable you to manage the kind of content they can access from your shared library using the Amazon Kids Plus service, formerly known as FreeTime. This way, you can make sure they're accessing age-appropriate content.
Any limitations?
While sharing your Audible library is a great feature, it's not without its limitations. By joining an Amazon household, you're agreeing to share payment methods, and that can be a deal-breaker for some. Also, keep in mind that you can only change your Amazon household once every 180 days. So, choose your shared account holder wisely. And that wraps up our discussion for today. Now, you should have a clear understanding of how many family members you can share your Audible library with. While it's limited to one adult through Amazon Household, there's also the potential to extend this to children using Amazon Kids Plus. Remember to consider the implications of shared payment methods and the limits on changing households. Hope this video has been helpful. Happy listening!